Where can you hear artists like Divided We Stand, Avid Addiction, Promise the World, Scent of Remains and Damage Done? Only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
This is Eric Shelton from The Fugitives, and you are listening to the one and only Tri-Cities Local Music Radio.
There's Candlebox with you.
Another crime, won't you get it higher and higher all through time? We would like to take a moment to thank each of you that have listened to Tri-City Local Music, and we would love to hear your feedback at Spreaker.com.
Hey, this is Tabo from Presence, and you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Here's a new one, sang Sarah, World on My Shoulders.
Are you having small engine trouble? Looking for that reliable company to keep your lawn looking great all summer long? Choose Arwood & Sons Lawn Care and Small Engine Repair. Give them a call at 423-292-0791. That's Harwood & Sons Lawn Care and Small Engine Repair.
Where can you hear artists like Presence, Seasons After, Shallow Point, Bend to Break, and A Fleeting Farewell? Only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
This is Brandon Malone with Promise the World, and you're listening to Tri-City's Local Music Radio.
Here's Presence with Cage.
Darkness falls, and it bleeds like rain. The thunder pounds my heart and stirs the pain. The light in your eyes, it's no longer there for me. Open this cage and set me free.
New one from Belfast Six Pack. Wonder why.